Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about new Chall Assy Series for Vulcan Hart part #00-763209-000A1. The new Chall Assy Series for Vulcan Hart part #00-763209-000A1 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is a complete assembly that includes the oven door, hinges, handle, and latch. This series is designed to replace the original Chall Assy Series for Vulcan Hart part #00-763209-000A1. The new Chall Assy Series features improved construction and materials that are more durable and reliable than the original series. The new Chall Assy Series also includes an improved latch design that makes it easier to open and close the oven door. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement burner assembly for a Vulcan Hart gas fryer. It is designed to replace the existing burner assembly and should fix any issues related to the burner, such as poor flame quality, low heat output, or uneven heating. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Vulcan Hart oven. 2. Remove the old Challenge assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Install the new Challenge assembly by lining up the holes and screws and tightening them securely. 4. Reconnect any wires that were disconnected during removal of the old Challenge assembly. 5. Turn on the power to the Vulcan Hart oven and test to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.